How to delete Memoji stickers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. Then, go to the text bar below. Now, tap on the emoji key on your keyboard as shown. You can view all your emojis from here. Then, tap on the Memoji key below to view all the Memojis. And then, tap on the three dots as shown. If you want to delete this Memoji, then select Delete below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete Memoji stickers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.